Hi guys, it's me, Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 30 of my 31-day series, Crocheted Life Hacks. So this series has been all about creating and crocheting items that are going to make your life easier. And today's project is really very sweet and very cute for our little kiddos who have their little water bottles that they carry around. So this is called the Lovely Water Bottle Holder, and I'm going to try to say this website correctly. Khucay.com. Khucay.com. So I think it's khucay.com. I think that's a cute name if I'm saying it right. These are just really cute. They look like a little sheep or a dog. Maybe it's a dog. And also a little bear. And you can just put your little water bottle inside it, and it's got a very long strap. So you can just kind of carry it, maybe crossbody style, wherever you go. So if it's hot, you always have your drink of water right there, but you're not, it's not something that's cluttering up your hands. This is a free crochet pattern, and it is available right on the website. And it's not completely loaded with ads or anything like that. It's very simple and easy to find. It looks like she used worsted weight yarn. She used a 3mm as well as a 4mm crochet hook. And that's really about it. I mean, it doesn't look too difficult, especially if you've ever made like a basket or something like that. It looks like it kind of works up the same way, and of course you have to make the little embellishments, but they don't look difficult at all. If you've ever made a crochet bag or crochet amigurumi, this shouldn't be a problem for you at all. Looks pretty simple. I'm going to take a few more screen grabs just so that I can add them into the video. But yeah, I think this is an adorable little project. I like it a lot, and I'd love to know what you think of it. Is it something that you'd like to try making? Oh, look at this one. She's even put a tail on it. I guess maybe the little bear needed a tail, but she's also put the name of the child on there. So that's a really cute idea as well. So definitely customizable as well. I think this is a great idea, super cute. It might even be cute for those of us, well, not me, but those of you who might be making things for craft fairs and stuff. That would be a really cute idea as well. All right, everybody, if you're interested in trying this out, go ahead, click the link in the description box below to take you to my Pinterest board. From there, all you need to do is click on the picture of the item you want to try out, and it's going to take you directly to the pattern. So nothing could be simpler, right? I think it's a great thing when you don't have to go scrolling through a blog and ads trying to find the pattern you want to try. And again, it's a free pattern. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. And until tomorrow, which I think is the last day of this series, have a great day. Bye-bye.